Today the kitchen comes down. I don't know if we gonna just take it down and redo it or just move it to another area, but I'll show y'all. Let me show you what it look like right now. It look a hot mess right now, y'all. I promise it was halfway decent when we first did it, but this is how it looks from the outside. And like I said, the rain destroyed it, so this is how I look on the inside today. Everything gotta come out. So we took our kitchen, well, part of it down, took everything out, and we moving everything down there.
Yep. Yep.
This is what it's looking like so far. We just trying to finish up because we need to cook dinner and it's getting late. But y'all can't really see because there's a lot of blue. Let me come over here on this side. But this is how it's looking right now. We got to get another tarp here or yeah, most likely, and then here too. So right now we just use these little piece of curtains that we have to close it in for the night. Close it in for the most part, keep most of the bugs out. But let me step out. Hold on.
What? No.
Yeah, this is how it looks. Just got all our stuff just scattered all about. But it's okay because it's gonna be looking good tomorrow.